Hello everyone, I'm just going to do a tutorial on a Glossy Red Eye, which is one of my favorites so far that I've just done. I didn't really create anything, it's just a wet eye look, and I hope you enjoy it, so just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with my Milani foundation, the 2-in-1 concealer and foundation in the color Warm Beige 05. Alright, so after I wet my sponge, I'm just going to take some of the foundation, do one pump. I'm going to spread it over evenly with my fingers. I feel like when I do it on the sponge and then I put it on my face, it'll give too full of a coverage. And I like that more of a natural to full look, where it's more like you could still see my skin, but it looks like it's my skin and not like cakey, you know? So I'm just gonna pat that in. My hair getting in the way so much. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. translucent powder. And kind of wacky with it, you know. I don't really set my face with anything else, and I don't really bake. I have concealer for under eyes, but I don't really like covering up my dark circles because it kind of gives me a different kind of face shape when I cover up my under eyes. I don't really bake because it just makes me feel drier. So I like to put powder all over my face without pressing it, and then I'll graze over all of it by buffing it in so it doesn't sit in and start flaking off. So it gives me like a clean finish over my foundation. I definitely try to achieve like a more natural look than anything. I'm going to be contouring with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer in the color Hotel Heiress. Ooh. And I never know if I'm going too heavy-handed or too light. If it's for a photo, I'll be really heavy because it won't show up at all. And then I'm really light if I'm just doing it for a person, but then it kind of just disappears because I'm way too light with it. So let me just start with the forehead. And you have to make sure that you get right into the hairline, otherwise it's just a light cast and then your bronzer. You want to make sure you get it right under the hair follicles if you want it to look natural. Or at least somewhat natural, you know? Believe to achieve. So like I'm pretty good for like in person. It looks very natural right now, but this is for camera, so I'm gonna go a little harder. Just cut that face out. A tiny bit. I'm still really bad with like nose contour, bless my soul. I'm still trying to contour my nose, and it's okay. I know. Harsh or not harsh enough? I'm gonna be using my elf pencil for my eyebrows. One part is gonna be pencil, the other part is a spoolie. I will start partial way here. I'll do it top and the wing. I'll do those in pencil. Went out a little bit right there, you can see. I know you can see. Went it right out. Like it never happened. And then I just... Oh my god, hair. 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 And I'm just going to do it a little bit and then spoolie the rest of it. Has a little bit more of a shape than... I'm gonna dip into my Sephora palette in the warm tone. Ugh. Beauty guru. Alright. Who is sending me a text? So I'm going to create a transition shade by probably going into this one right here. More terracotta color. See if I can focus. Now, you might be thinking, I'm just gonna put red all over this. Is this shade useless? Maybe. Maybe. But, you know, it makes me feel better about myself. It's like, am I an MUA? I might be. So after I've laid down my transition color of that, I can start laying down my darker colors. I'm gonna be putting down this darker brown color, and that's just gonna make sure that whatever color I put on it is also gonna be darker, because I can tell you right now, building up red is not easy. It is not. I'm really sloppy today because I am using the viewfinder as a mirror today. And this is going to be interesting. But I want like a decent video okay? So don't judge me. Don't you dare judge me. I swear, I keep blinking because I'm trying to look at the viewfinder with one eye. I'm like, this is not a mirror. It's not. And that's the look, because I give up, honestly. Completely give up. Unsatisfied. So I'm gonna put that palette away. And now we're gonna go into the Aphrodite. And I'm gonna spend a lifetime right into lust. About my entire lifetime. And this brush is gonna be destroyed and it's gonna take forever to clean. We're gonna try to softly blend this out some way, somehow. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. gloss in Truffle Kiss, or Burgundy. It's called Truffle Kiss though, but whatever. It's the more red one. So now I'm gonna try and blend it out with my finger. Just because it gets really harsh from the get-go. You want it to blend in with the shadow. It doesn't really have like a heavy consistency or anything. Like I don't really feel like I'm wearing gloss in my eyes. Lord. It allows me to have like that sleek wet look. Running out of fingers on this hand. So I blended those out. And that's basically the look. Do minimal to no lips. And just like very vibrant eyes. I hope you liked the video. I tried. Bye.